Today I brought for you 10 words for you to learn. The first word is adjacent. ADJACENT. Adjacent meaning बगल में, जब कोई भी चीज बीच में ना हो. For example, there was a building adjacent to mine. दोबारा सुनिए. There was a building. एक बिल्डिंग थी adjacent to mine. मेरी बिल्डिंग के बगल में, या आप इसको ऐसे भी कह सकते हैं, मेरी बिल्डिंग के बगल में एक बिल्डिंग थी. Let me tell you the second word, and that is seldom. What? Seldom. 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 Meaning kabhi kabhi. Let's listen for an example. I seldom have breakfast at 7 o'clock. मैं 7 बजे कभी कभी सुबह का नाश्ता करता हूँ. Let me tell you the third word, and that is memorize. What? Memorize. 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 Meaning किसी चीज को हूबहू याद रखना या किसी चीज को हूबहू सीखना. For example, I don't memorize anything. Instead, I do it over and over again. दोबारा सुनिए. I don't memorize anything. मैं किसी भी चीज को हूबहू याद नहीं रखता हूँ. Instead, I do it over and over again. इसकी जगह मैं इसको बार बार करता हूँ. Let me tell you the fourth word, and that is prospect. What? Prospect. 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 संभावना. Let's listen with an example. There was a prospect of my brother coming. मेरे भाई के आने की संभावना थी. Let me tell you the fifth sentence of this video, and that is throughout. What? Throughout. 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 Meaning शुरू से लेके अंत तक. For example, my friend was at ease throughout the hard conversation. मेरा दोस्त शांत था सख्त बातचीत के दौरान. यानी जब सख्त बातचीत हो रही थी उस समय वो शुरू से लेकर अंत तक शांत था. Let me just teach you the sixth word, and that is hook. Hook means a curved device. ऐसी मुड़ी हुई डिवाइस होती है ना. एक हैंगर देखा होगा आपने घर में. उस हैंगर पे बहुत सारी कर्व्ड डिवाइस होती हैं. ठीक है, तो उस पर आप बैग टांगते हैं, कपड़े टांगते हैं. Let's listen how to use this hook word in the sentence. There is a hook behind the gate. गेट के पीछे एक हुक है या एक मुड़ी हुई डिवाइस है. ओके, मेनली आप जिस पे कपड़े टांगते हैं, बैग टांगते हैं. Let me tell you the seventh word, and that is predicament. What? Predicament. 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 Meaning एक बेकार स्थिति या एक confused स्थिति. Let's listen with an example. He was in a predicament last night and was trying to get out of it. दोबारा सुनिए. He was in a predicament मतलब वो एक confused स्थिति में था या वो एक बेकार स्थिति में था, and was trying to get out of it और कोशिश कर रहा था उससे बाहर निकलने की. And let me just tell you the eighth word, and that is poverty stricken. POVERTY. Poverty stricken. STRICKEN. Poverty stricken means बहुत ही गरीब. Let's listen with an example. There were poverty stricken men. बहुत ही गरीब आदमी थे. Let me just tell you the ninth word, and that is bachelor. What? Bachelor. BACHELOR. Bachelor means कुंवारा. Let's listen with an example. My friend was a bachelor. मेरा दोस्त एक कुंवारा लड़का था. Let me tell you the 10th word, and that is reserve. RESERVE. Reserve मतलब व्यवस्था करना, इस्तेमाल करने के लिए. How to use in the sentence? Listen carefully. Why don't you reserve a seat in a restaurant for me? दोबारा सुनिए. Why don't you reserve a seat मतलब आप एक सीट की व्यवस्था क्यों नहीं करते हो इस्तेमाल के लिए. In a restaurant for me मतलब रेस्टोरेंट में मेरे लिए. So if you don't understand in one go, what you can do is you can watch this video twice. You will understand every word clearly. And if you understand, you can share this video to someone else who is in really need of learning different words altogether. Bye, take care.